140 muffle furnace with side-opening door. Structure. The furnace chamber is made of one-piece formed lightweight alumina ceramic fiber, high-quality SiC heating elements, and heated from both left and right sides. It features fast heating, 7-inch PLC touchscreen display, and can be programmed with 15 groups of processes, each with 30 temperature curve segments. The temperature control accuracy is 1. This equipment is applied in the sintering and high temperature heat treatment of new materials such as metal materials, ceramic materials, nanomaterials, and semiconductor materials.